I-Team.
The I-Team digging deeper into a blow to the Providence school athletic programs as the Jacksonville private school is slapped with sanctions and penalties.
Providence, located on Hodges Boulevard, is known for successful sports teams, producing a number of talented players. News 4 Jax has obtained a report from the organization that oversees high school sports that accuses the school of several recruiting violations. Now Providence must forfeit games and pay thousands of dollars in fines. I-Team investigator Vic Michelucci has been going over the report, and he also spoke with Providence's head of school. He joins us live from the campus. Vic.
And he told me the 14-page documents here are simply not true, but he says after speaking with his staff and the board, they decided not to fight it because it would be too much trouble. Instead, they agreed to take the punishment. After a lengthy investigation, the Florida High School Athletic Association, or FHSAA, found 4 violations. First, for allowing a student athlete to get in the school after he failed required Spanish and geometry courses. The organization says Providence allowed 2 ineligible student athletes to participate in sports like boys varsity basketball and girls JV volleyball. The 4th mark in the report came from allowing non-school baseball, basketball, and volleyball teams to use the school's facility without fully executed usage agreements on file. I spoke with the head of school, Don Barfield. He denies any wrongdoing, saying they followed appropriate guidelines to keep athletic programs in compliance. But due to the potential long, drawn-out process of appeal, which could have included a financial strain on the school's budget, the decision was to self-report the violations and accept the penalty. The school now on administrative probation and must forfeit all JV girls volleyball and boys varsity basketball games and honors from the 2015-2016 season. Plus, they're fined $117,500. If they don't violate any more policies, they'll only have to pay $11,750.
It's one of those where there's smoke, there's fire. These boards don't hand out 6-figure sanctions for nothing.
Attorney John Phillips practices sports law. He says if true, the alleged violations are significant and cause for concern.
More than likely, oftentimes these come from other schools that say, it's not fair. And they have some sort of inside information. It happens all the time.
Can they go back after the association saying this potentially could hurt our name?
No, it would be like Alabama going after the NCAA. It doesn't happen.
And the leader at Providence sent me this letter, which he says he sent out to all of the parents here. He says, again, the allegations are simply not true, but they are in good standing with the FHSAA, and they hope to put this whole incident behind them. We're live outside Providence on the south side. Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.